Noon here. I know it's been over a week since I, made a video. That's because I've been preparing this for us to play. Well, technically I'm not playing it, you're just watching. This is a game I found that I really like. It's Pet World, My Animal Shelter. It's a very relaxing and quite addicting game to play. At least for me, because, animals. I don't have all the animals unlocked. But as you can see, I have to figure out what kind of medical issue the animal may have. So it says, the rabbits. Bear with me, guys. I'm a little slow at reading. The rabbit's teeth are much too long. Oh, I see. Yeah, that's why you need to give your rodents wooden shoes and other things so that they can help shorten their teeth and they don't have to worry so much about, their teeth just becoming so long and causing them issues. Because having teeth are just so long like that could honestly shorten animals' life. Because, they can't eat. Let's see what this one has to say. There are tiny white eggs on the rabbit's skin. Blah. I don't usually get it right on the first try because I'm not a veterinarian and I don't know a veterinarian. But to me, that is definitely disgusting. Having white eggs on someone. Ugh. But let's not talk about it anymore because, videos that I post, I try to make people happy. Or get people to realize something. As you see, I'm going through cleaning their areas and giving them food, water, and brushing the rabbits. After we're done with this little one, what I do every time, I will open the gate and leave the area so they will go outside and play. And I'm going over to the cat area. Bear in mind, guys, these cats, they don't try to attack, but they're very hissy growling, so yeah. If you don't want to hear all the hissing growling, you can just skip forward. So we have little Geo here. Yep, he's already growling. It's weird. The cats will hiss and growl. Then when you pet them or brush them, they're immediately back to being calm and gentle and sweet. Yep, there's the hissing. The hissing, honestly, doesn't bother me too much because I grew up with cats. I'm used to it. And in my opinion, these cats are hissing and growling because they had bad experiences with humans in the past. Now, where to go next? We could just run over to the dogs. Well, dog. Here we have little Bella. She was a recent addition to the shelter. I'm slowly adding more animals to the shelter. No. Slowly but surely. I also have sheep. Yup. Here we have little Lottie. She's been with us for a little while. At least I think it's a she. But then again, I'm not an expert. Then we have Laura, which I can definitely bet is a girl because, you know, Laura, girl name. You don't name a boy Laura. That's just weird. And I'm not judging, I'm just saying in my opinion that it's definitely weird. We also have, if we go over here, a fox. Hello there, sweetie. This is little Benny. He's also been with us for a while. I believe the sound you guys heard him make is a real fox sound, but I'm not a fox expert. I can't tell you for sure. Something that confuses me is that they'll let the sheep and the cats and stuff out, but you can't let the fox out. No. Also, we also have fawns. Yep. I think fawns, aka baby deer, are very cute. Now, oh brother, 10 guests? Well, visitors. Oh boy, here we go again! I would like to form a band. I don't know if you should really form a band with animals. I haven't encountered guys like this before. They either want a rabbit or a cat. Luckily, I have both. It's okay. Don't worry. It's okay. Yeah, I do sometimes kind of talk to the animals. I'm weird. Yes, of course, an ad. And do allow myself to watch ads in this game alone in order to get more coins to build up the coins faster to unlock more animals. I'll try not to do it too much in the video, but yeah. We need gold coins in order to be able to build up enough to get more animals to unlock. My children both love cats. Yeah. I've encountered this girl before. You want a cat. I know. Usually when you know what animal they want, they won't take it. It's either because their confidence or their grooming is too low. Or just haven't taken care of them. There, see, I didn't use the ads and I only got 1 coin. I design animal games for a living. Well, that's fun. I just play animal games and other games, but so I think it's about time I had a pet myself. I was thinking of a rabbit or a hamster. Don't worry, sir. I've got both. In fact, I'll show you guys the hamsters. Here's one of them now. No, Toby. He's cute. I know. He's a hamster. And we see there's no brush sign there because this little heart sign for hamsters and guinea pigs boosts both, from what I can tell. We also have Gemma, which I'm assuming is a female. I try not to read all this stuff so much because, you know, that seems a little slower. If you guys wanted to slow it down, pause it, and read it yourself, you can. It's up to you. It's just, I'm not doing it myself because I gotta take care of the animals. And I've gotta take care of it. Alright, these are the only 2 hamsters that we have right now. Toby and Gemma. And so I think Gemma will work well for him. And he accepts it. My granddaughter has 3 guinea pigs, and she loves them. Oh, great. She wants a 4th guinea pig. By the way, here are the guinea pigs. That sound is the guinea pig. Yeah, Lisa. I really don't get why they're called guinea pigs. They don't really look or sound like guinea pigs to me, but that's just my opinion. But hey, I'm no animal species expert. I just love and take care of animals. Next up, we have Moja. Major? No. I'm also not an expert when it comes to reading things because even if I see what it is, I don't always know how to say it. Alright, we actually have a 3rd little guinea pig named Romina, which I'm assuming is another girl. Oh, I got that one right away. And that guy you guys see pop up when I do the little trying to figure out what's wrong with him, he's who we call, me and secret zoologists call the Professor. Well, that's his given name, so why wouldn't you call him the Professor? That's his name. Well, not his actual first name, it's just in here there's a little Emma. Another little female I'm predicting, because, you know, Emma is a girl name. Sometimes I will accidentally leave. Yeah, I won't close it. It's just because, you know, mobile games, this one very good. Sometimes you'll accidentally swipe or tap the wrong way. Now, who to give to this person? Honestly, I'm more towards Major. What do you think? 30 gold coins. That's not nearly enough to even get gold. Yeah. We have plenty of space in the garden and are thinking about saving slightly more unusual animals. It would be great if it could be a useful animal. Useful, I'm not sure. The only useful animal I think of that could really live in the garden would be the sheep. Because, you know, sheep, they give you wool. So what is like little Lottie? I think she deserves a home. 6 more to go. We've owned sheep for a long time now and could take another one. Well, don't worry, we have a sheep. She's right over here. Laura, come in here, please. Both of our sheep adopted. That doesn't happen all the time. We have a big garden. It's ideal for building a pet enclosure. My grandchildren would be delighted, I'm sure. I was thinking of guinea pigs or rabbits. Guinea pigs don't really belong out in enclosures. Rabbits, they could handle it, definitely. Come in here. Another successful adoption. My girlfriend would be over the moon with a hamster. You want a hamster? Yep. I've encountered you before. Yeah, guys, it's gotten to the point where I've encountered so many people who want the same thing, where I'm just like, yeah, I know what you want. I'm looking for a really cool pet for my student room. Why do you call it a student room? I still don't understand that. But I usually give them rabbits because, you know, rabbits, really good class pet. They live longer than hamsters and guinea pigs usually. They're really fluffy and cute, and just, they work. There you go. Another successful adoption. Don't worry, we've only got one more. I always used to want a brother or sister, but that didn't work out. That didn't work anyway. My parents have said I can choose a hamster. Why did they specifically say hamster? Guinea pigs would work too. I'm sorry, sir. We don't have any hamsters. This is the point where if you don't have the pet they need and you don't think you can get them to adopt anything close to it, you'll have to dismiss them and be like, sorry, you don't have the animal, come back later. Now we can sleep. I don't care about the star ranking. That really never meant anything to me. And we get new pets of animals, which includes a cat, picture if that's a guinea pig or hamster. A sheep, another one. A cat. A rabbit, another one. Is that a rabbit or a sheep? I can't tell from the picture. Either way, guys, if you enjoyed this video, I will definitely be playing this game again. But yes, if you enjoyed, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me your favorite domesticated animal in the comments below. And I'll see you guys next time.